Koffee creates history on UK albums chart. Koffee creates history on UK albums chart. Koffee created history Friday when her debut album Gifted, Promised Land Recordings and Columbia Records UK, debuted at number 9 on the official UK albums chart. Gifted's chart entry makes Koffee the first female artiste from Jamaica to ever score a top 10 entry on the chart, and the first Jamaican to earn a top 10 placement since 846. The collaborative effort by Sting and Shaggy sailed to number 9 in 2018. The last solo Jamaican artiste to have visited the top 10 was Sean Paul, whose Dutty Rock album peaked at number 2 in early 2003. Shaggy and Bob Marley and the Wailers are the only Jamaican acts who have earned a number 1 album on the chart. Shaggy topped the chart with Hot Shot in 2001, while Marley hit the top with Legend in 1984. Legend is still on the tally, holding the number 30 spot after spending 1,023 weeks on the chart. Brought to you by Jamaica News.